Have you subscribed yet? You, yeah, I'm talking to you. Have you subscribed? Come on, eat it, eat it, eat it. It's free. Come on. Yeah, so I want to use this medium to say thank you to everyone that have subscribed so far, even though we are still stagnant on 67 subscribers. Come on now, you all can help your girl. Let's round it up to 70, and we aspire to reach 80 and 90 and 100 and more and more and more. So as you can tell by today's topic, we are gonna be talking about honey. Yay! We're gonna be talking about this beautiful, delicious, yummy product right here. We're gonna be talking about honey. So yeah, we're gonna be talking about honey. Let me set it right here. And this honey I have here, don't be fooled by the Cantu package. I finished using my Cantu product in it, so I washed it, clean it, and pour my honey here, that one I used on my face. So first, let me tell you guys about the four main saving benefits of honey to the skin. Yes, 4 main skin saving benefits of honey to the skin. 1, ACENE. Many people struggle with ACENE, either as a teenager, as an adult, or anytime or any stage of your life. A lot of people struggle with ACENE. So, and as to let you guys know, honey is a natural and antibacterial. Honey is a natural antibacterial, so it's great for treatment of ACENE, and it's also great for prevention of ACENE. So it's a very good product, not only for consumption, but you can actually rub it on your face, mask it on your face to prevent ACENE or to treat ACENE. 2, aging. As we all know, at every point in time, we are all growing day by day, every minute, every second, every hour. We are growing. So definitely everybody is going to grow old one day, somehow, anyhow. We are getting old. But honey helps in preventing or slowing down. It helps in slowing down aging process because it contains or is full of antioxidants that are good for the body, that are good for the skin. So it helps in slowing down aging process. Number 3, complexion boost. As we know, or if you don't know, let me tell you, honey is highly moisturizing in nature. So therefore, it helps boost your complexion, and it's also soothing to the skin, and it helps create glow to your skin. So honey is very, very important. Thereby it helps in slowing down aging process. So honey is very, 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 very important. Number 4, pores. Honey is clarifying because it opens up pores, and it opens your pores, cleans your skin and your pores, and helps tighten your pores, so you don't get any skin irritation or whatsoever. Honey is very, very good. You can't go wrong when using honey on your skin. So it's very important. So let's quickly jump to the DIYs of honey. Yes, so before I go into the DIYs of honey real quick, I would quickly briefly say the 4 benefits of honey to the skin. 1, ACENE. Honey helps in preventing or clearing ACENE. 2, aging. Honey helps in slowing down aging process because what it contains some antioxidants that are good for the skin. And for ACENE, it contains antibacterial that are good in clarifying the skin. 3, complexion boost. Honey helps in boosting your complexion because of the antioxidants it contains, and some minerals. It helps in boosting your complexion. It helps in giving you a very good glow to your skin. Number 4, honey helps with the pores. It's easy to unclog the pores and cleanse it without any struggle. So let's get into the DIYs real quick. As I was saying, there are 3 ways you can DIY your honey, your raw honey. 1, DIY raw honey, DIY honey mask. This is one of the easiest and simplest thing you can do with honey. All you have to do is layer it on your face with your hands, with your fingers, or your brush, maybe one of your old makeup brush that you are not using, and you can as well use your regular makeup, one of your brushes. And when you're done, make sure you wash your brush. Then layer it on your face and leave it on for 30 minutes and gently rinse it off with warm water. And that is going to be leaving your skin radiant and glowing. Yes, mark my word, radiant and glowing. You see this? You see that? You see that? Tested and trusted. I still used it this morning on my face. So, and it's just one time. I left it. I didn't even leave it on for 30 minutes. It wasn't up to 30 minutes. I left it on my skin, and I can see how glowing my skin is. It's softer and it's more succulent. I'll be leaving a picture somewhere of my before and after with the honey mask. Number 2 way to use your honey on your skin. Number 2 way honey can serve as a DIY to your skin is for spot treatment. You can use honey as a spot treatment for your skin. Simply get a cotton swab and just use the cotton swab. I don't have a cotton swab right here, but use a cotton swab and just dip a little bit and put it on the spot. For example, okay, this is not a spot. Let me see. Okay, there's a tiny spot right here. For example, I just get the swab, I put the swab in, and I just put it right here, just on the spot. And you can leave it on overnight, and you'll be surprised how your skin is, how the honey is going to work on the spots you have a breakout on. You don't need to put the whole honey on your face because of breakout. Just apply, use the cotton swab and apply a little bit wherever you have a breakout on, and it's going to help with the treatment of the breakouts. Try it and see, and you will definitely come back and tell me what your review is about it. So as I was saying, for extra boost, you might as well mix your raw honey with tea tree oil and lavender oil for additional natural cleansing. Yes, you can mix your raw honey with the tea tree oil and lavender oil for additional cleansing for your skin. Try it. It really works wonders. It does wonders. You can't beat how honey works on the skin. It's work amazing. It does I don't want to say miraculous work, but it does amazing job for your skin. And that will be taking me to the number 3 way you can DIY your raw honey for the benefits of your skin. Yes, another DIY is your honey exfoliator. You can actually DIY honey exfoliator. I will elaborate more on this. You can exfoliate your skin once or twice a week. Once or twice a week by making 2 parts of honey and 1 part of and Ama baking soda. And Ama baking soda, I specified and Ama baking soda. I don't know about any other kind of brand of baking soda. You can try it if you don't have and Ama baking soda. I'll be leaving a picture of and Ama baking soda, so you can actually know the brand I'm talking about. Like I said, 2 parts of your honey and 1 part of and Ama baking soda. As we all know, baking soda offers light exfoliation, while honey soothes and smooths the skin. So this is the last but not the least of the DIYs you can DIYs for your honey. I don't know why I'm blabbing. DIYs for your honey. This is honey bath. This is very, very effective during the winter period because we start to deal with dry skin caused by the winter. As the season change, your skin can overdrive, trying to balance due to the change of weather, and we know what that means. By the time our skin try to struggle to balance, we tend to start having dry skin and flaky skin, which is not good for us. So this method simply consists of 1 bath with soothing ingredients that can keep your skin in check, simply by adding 2 cups of honey to a running bath to create body soothing bliss. Soak for 15 minutes and then add 1 cup of baking soda for your final 15 minutes to help get rid of body dead cells without irritation. This is very, very effective. I personally try to do this honey bath. It is very, 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 very effective, and is very, very effective, most effective during the winter period. If it's getting during the winter, if the winter is coming around, this is highly recommended for you to have the honey bath. Like I said, simply put 2 cups of honey into a running bath. If you have a bathtub, run your warm water, put 2 cups of honey in your bathtub and sit in there for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, add a cup or add 1 cup of baking soda for your final 15 minutes into the water you have, and sit in there for the rest 15 minutes, which is going to help get rid of the dead cells or dead skin cells on your body without any irritation, and while the honey is going to leave your skin soothing and moisturized. And after that, after you are done with the bath and the whole thing, just wash your body normally with warm water and wash off the honey and the baking soda finally, and you will be surprised how your skin is going to feel succulent and smooth, and you're going to be thanking me later. Trust me, you will thank me later. Just give it a trial, and that will be the end of my honey DIY. Like I said, honey is highly beneficial to the skin. It is a good antioxidant and antibacterial, which helps to fight ACENEs and prevent ACENEs. It also helps to reduce signs of aging. It's reduce signs of aging. It also helps to ease your pores. It helps to open your pores and unclog your pores easily without stress. Honey, you can't go wrong with honey. Honey is very good. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, like, and leave your comments below. All right guys, I will see you some other time. Bye and be blessed for now.